In the last session, we have studied the digital logic, what is binary number, what is the difference between analog signal and a digital signal, and a small introduction we have seen of conversion of decimal number into its binary equivalent. In this video, we are going to study conversion of decimal number into any number system, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal with the fraction. First we will see that how to convert a decimal number into its binary equivalent. In the last video we have seen there are two methods of converting a decimal number into its binary equivalent. The first method is to divide by 2. Whatever the number we have to convert, suppose this number we have to convert in base 2, so we have to divide by 2, and based on the remainder we can find out the binary equivalent of that particular number. And the second and shortcut method I have shown you, that is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, likewise 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, likewise you can represent, and whatever the number you need to convert, you have to take these numbers. Suppose 48 is the number, we have to find out its binary equivalent. Then we know that 32 plus 16 is 42. 32 plus 16 is 42. So 32 is represented as 1, 16 is represented as 1, and remaining all are 0. So 1 1 0 0 0, 1 1 0 0 0 0 is the binary equivalent of this 48. Okay, this is the second method of converting a decimal number into its binary form. Next is the fractional part. Suppose the fraction number is given as 0.5625 is a decimal number, we have to convert in its binary equivalent. Then what is the procedure? The number of 0.65625 should be multiplied by 2. Why to multiplied with 2 only? Because we have to convert in base 2, so multiplied by 2. If you are multiplying by 2, we are getting 1.31250. Okay, this is the carry, we have to separate it. This one can be separated as 1, and 0.31250, 0.31250 should be again multiplied by 2. So we are getting this 0.62500. So this 0 should be separated, and this remaining 62500, 0.62500 should be multiplied by 2. So it become 1.25000. This one is the carry, should be separated, and the remaining digits, that is 0.25000, again multiplied by 2. So we are getting 0.50000. This 0 should be separated, and 0.50000 should be multiplied by 2. So it is 1.000. So up to the fractional point 0 we have to complete the multiplication. Okay, and if the fractional part is not becoming a 0, then depends on the accuracy, we can have the number of bits we can consider from the from the carry point of view. So for this 48.6525 this is 48.65625, this is a decimal number, its binary equivalent is 111100. This 110000, okay, is the binary equivalent of 48. Point, the fractional point is, we have to consider from the first carry 10101, 10101. This is the binary equivalent of this decimal number. This is the complete procedure of decimal to binary with fraction. In this way you can perform the conversion of decimal to binary. Decimal to binary, if the fractional number is asked, you have to multiply it by 2. कहाँ तक multiply करना है? It depends on the accuracy you want. Suppose you want a 3-digit accuracy, you can perform the up to 3 digit, up to 4 digit, up to 5 digit. It depends on the accuracy. This is one of the method. And another way is, when you got 0, stop the multiplication. When you got the 0 in the fractional part, stop the multiplication. In this way you can convert a fractional decimal number into its binary equivalent. The second conversion is decimal to octal conversion. How to convert a decimal number into its octal equivalent? So this is 163.65. First we will convert 163 of decimal into its octal equivalent. So what is the procedure? As we have seen in the decimal to binary, we have to divide by 2. Here same procedure, we have to divide by 8. Whatever the base we have to convert, we have to divide by that number. So divide by 8. So 20 multiplied by 8 is 160, remainder is 3. 8 to the 16, remainder is 4. And now when it is less than 8, then we have to stop with the division. It is we have to follow the direction from bottom to top. Means 243. 243 is the octal equivalent of 163. Okay. Now the fractional part, again the same procedure, 0.65 we have to take. With 0.65 we have to convert in octal form, so multiplied by 8. As we are multiplying by 2 for binary, for octal we have to multiply it by 8. So 0.65 is multiplied by 8, we are getting 5.20. So 5 should be separated, 0.20 is again multiplied by 8. It is 1.60. So 1 should be separated, 0.60 is again multiplied by 8. So we are getting 0.80. In this way, based on the accuracy, you can extend the number of stages for the for good accuracy, or generally if you are not getting 0 in the fractional part, you can continue with the 4 to 5 stages. And then 243, this is the 163.65. 163.65 is a decimal number. Its octal equivalent we have find out as 243 is the octal equivalent of 163. Point, take the fractional part starting from the first, carry 510, 0.510. This is the octal equivalent. This is the complete procedure of decimal to octal conversion with the fraction. And at last, the last method is decimal to hexadecimal conversion. How to convert a decimal number into its hexadecimal number? Hexadecimal number system we know it is valid from 0 to 9. 10 is represented by A. Likewise 15 is represented by F. So we are considering an example 1020.1 is a decimal number, we have to convert in its hexadecimal form. Then the same procedure we have to convert in base 16, so divide by 16. If you are dividing it by 16, we are getting this 16 into 63 is 1008, remainder is 12. 16 into 3, remainder is 15. So 3, 15, 12 is the remainder. But 3 we have to take as it is, 15 is nothing but F, we know that 15 is nothing but F, 12 is nothing but C in hexadecimal. That is why 3FC, 3FC is the hexadecimal equivalent of 1020. Second is the fractional part, fractional is 0.1, 0.1. So this 0.1 is multiplied by 16, it is 1.6. 0.6 is multiplied by 16 is 9.6. 0.6 is multiplied by 16 is 9.6. Again we are repeating the same stage as 9.6, 9.6. So round off it, 1.99 up to 3 digit we are taking the accuracy. And the example is 1020.1, 1020.1 is a decimal number. Its hexadecimal equivalent is 3FC, 3FC.199 is the hexadecimal equivalent of this decimal number. In this way you can convert by decimal number into all the number system, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. In the next lecture we will see binary to any number system, octal to any number system, and hexadecimal to any number system. Thank you for watching the video.